ladies, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hey girl, it's your girl BlendedByDee, and I am back with another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing these Amazon brushes that I absolutely love. They're super affordable, they're synthetic fiber, they're everything, okay? These are all the brushes that you're going to need to achieve a flawless and beautiful beat, honey. And get it that they're $12. So I love affordable brushes. I don't see the need to buy expensive brushes. I only use my brushes for about a month, 2 months, dispose them. You got to keep it clean, keep it sanitary. So definitely grab these brushes. Make sure you come and subscribe.
Go get that brush.
Make sure you tell a friend to come and view my channel. Yeah.
Okay, ladies, we're going to hop right into this video. So these are going to be the makeup brushes that we're using today. I purchased them from Amazon, so I'm going to leave the link below for my Amazon store. These are what the brushes look outside of the package. Super pretty. Love, love, love black brushes, okay? So now I'm going to be showing you how I use my first brush in this set. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows and primed my face off camera. So now I'm going to be applying my foundation, and I'm going to be using the same brush I use as my concealer to apply my foundation. Now I'm going to be taking my flat brush that's kind of in an angle that's in this brush set, and that's what I'm going to be using to brush out my foundation. I love, love, love using brushes to buff out cream products. It just makes it so flawless and so skin-like. Now I'm going to be taking another brush out of this brush set. It's a flat top brush, and I'm going to be using it to buff out my contour. Definitely love these brushes, okay? They're very soft. They don't smell, nothing. I really, really love these brushes. Now I'm going to be taking this tapered, pointed brush, and I'm going to be blending my concealer out. Now I'm going to be taking the same brush that I use for my foundation, and I'm going to just be buffing some more foundation underneath my contour just to give it a little bit more definition. Now I'm going to be taking one of my more smaller but dense brushes in this brush set, and that's what I'm going to be using to apply my eyeshadow. So I'm going to apply with one brush, and then I'm going to go back in, as you can see here, and buff it out or blend it out with a fluffier brush, same from that same brush set. Now you're going to need a big fluffier brush to apply your powder contour. This set does not have as many fluffy brushes, so I definitely had to use another one of my brushes. You can use any fluffy brush that you have in your kit. Definitely will work for you. And then I'm going to be taking that same fluffy brush that I use to blend out my eyeshadow to do my nose contour. Very easy. You want to go very light-handed with your nose contour. You don't want any harsh lines, none of that. And this is the final product of the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please go and buy these brushes from my Amazon store. Super, super cute glam. See you next video.